bag, that cat flew in the head identified, so I had to mess around with it on the deck. It's set now. Give you a picture here. Going downwind. Very, very little air. Probably any reasonable person would turn the boat around. Wind is up to 6.5 knots apparent, and the boat speed is 4.5 knots. I pulled in the main. It's going far enough downwind. It's just kind of getting in the way. Spinnaker's doing fine. Wind speed has come up to wind speed is about 9, and the boat speed is varying from 6.5 to 7. Still no mainsail, and a very nice day. This is Tuesday. It's offshore Michigan, headed south. Since about dawn, I was motoring. There was no wind. The winds come up as predicted. Wind is about 6. True wind, maybe 7. The boat speed is 4.2 knots, 4.4 knots. So we're downwind, wing and wing, sort of. I've got a preventer on holding the mainsail off to one side. Keeps the spinnaker stable. Another beautiful day, but very light winds for the next 2 days is what's predicted. 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. We're approaching Pentwater after pretty much a full day of downwind spinnaker sailing. There was 2 or 3 hours of motoring, but I started at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's now 6 o'clock. We'll probably be in there in about an hour. I think I'll anchor out tonight, not get a dock. And tomorrow it looks like motoring, but we'll see. You know, beautiful day. Doing about 6 knots. Entering the harbor entrance in Pentwater. I've never been here before. This is Pentwater. See on the breakwater here, there's an elevated walkway about 10 feet tall. out to the lighthouse. This is so that when large waves are coming in and going right over the breakwater, someone can still walk out there. It would have to be pretty unnerving to be walking on that catwalk with waves coming over the top of the breakwater right underneath. I had to turn 4 degrees, it's almost a straight shot out of Grand Haven to go into Milwaukee Harbor. A 4-degree turn and I'm pointed directly to Milwaukee. Probably be there about 12 to 14 hours. Wind is up to 23. The wind is about 18, 19. Sea's probably about 3 foot now. Waves are starting to come up a little bit. 3 feet. It's a lot less noisy in the cabin. And we're heading upwind a little bit, leaning over this far. The leeward window is often in submarine mode.